This is my Minimalist mini survival pack. Small little thing, put it around your neck. Small little compact. It's just a small little survival kit. I'll just give you a quick little demo here. In this one compartment I keep over here. Of course I got a signal mirror. Signal mirror. Got my whistle, survival whistle with a compass and magnifying glass. Flint fire steel. Use to start a fire. Of course, killer, cool little Swiss Army knife I've had for years. Great knife, I love it. Alright, and then a small, compact, little rechargeable flashlight. Works great. It's a wonderful flashlight. Then over here, doing a little video on my EDC. Pardon me. And just another little survival tool. It's got a little multiple uses to it. You know, multiple uses as well. And then of course I got wet ones to wipe my hands, antibacterial, and then a pack of matches for emergency use. Once again, this is my small compact pocket minimalist survival kit. You fit around your neck, carry it on your side, puck it on your belt.